Alright, example 3. Let's go ahead and identify the vertex and the x-intercepts for this graph, negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. So this will be another example here where we need to complete the square. So here we go. F of x equals negative x squared plus 6x minus 8. I'm going to put parentheses around the x squared and the x part. I'm going to factor out the negative 1. I'll be left with x squared minus 6x. And I'm going to leave a space here for us to complete the square. Minus 8. We haven't touched the minus 8 at all. What we're going to do is we're going to take negative 6. The steps are we cut it in half. We get negative 3. We take that number and we square it. And we get 9. So plus 9 completes our square. And let's be careful here. Remember that we're distributing in here. Negative 1 times 9 is minus 9. So what we've done is we've contributed a minus 9 to our equation so far. We need to cancel that out with a plus 9 so that we haven't actually changed our equation. We'll complete our square with a perfect square of x minus 3. Remember that number, minus 3 squared, and the negative 8 plus 9 is plus 1. Let's go ahead and get our vertex first. Our vertex here, and I'm going to draw this out. Our vertex is going to be at 3, 1, right here. And we know that this is going in a downward direction. So I'm just going to start right here and say 3, 1 is our vertex. We're halfway home on this problem. But now they've also asked us, where are the x-intercepts? Where does this parabola cross the x-axis? And that's what we need to figure out here. All right? So the fastest way on this one is to know that our slope is negative 1, which means for a parabola we're going to go over 1 and down 1. And look at that, we're right on the x-axis. So our parabola is going to turn downward like that. What we have here is x-intercepts of 2, 0 and 4, 0. Alright, go ahead and try it yourself. Find the vertex, the axis of symmetry, and the x-intercepts. Alright, off and running here. On this problem, this is already a perfect square. This is x minus 4 squared. If we took half of 8, negative 8, we'd get negative 4. And if we took negative 4 and squared it, we get back to 16. So we are good to go. The k on this one would be 0, and the a would be 1. Go ahead and graph this. Our vertex is at 4, 0. And this one is pointing up 1 over 1. And off we go. And so we've got a few things. We've got our vertex. We need our axis of symmetry. That's going to be the line running right through the middle. So that hits x equals 4. And we do need our x-intercepts. In this case, the x-intercept is the exact same thing as the vertex here, 4, 0.